This is Peter from NT Realty, and today we're in Donja Lastva, and I'm just waiting for my friend Ladislas from The Wandering Investor. We're going to go and shoot some videos for his YouTube channel, but I thought I'd use the opportunity as well to shoot some videos myself. I've been a bit lax the last few years, so I'm going to try and make it up and shoot a few more videos. We've got a fantastic apartment in Donja Lastva, just to show you a bit of the scenery in the area. This is it. We're going to go and meet in the Crudo bar behind us. Got this lovely kind of restaurant hotel behind us as well, and that's it. There's a cute little house here which we sold a few years ago to my friends James and Lily. That's it. So let me get the other side of the camera and the destination and see what you think. Let me know. So like I said, we're in Donja Lastva now at this amazing 2-bedroom apartment. The views are phenomenal. The road up to it a little bit tricky, but the views are great. Got parking below, views over Porto Montenegro behind me. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Over the bay, Sveti Marko Island and so on. I'm going to get on the other side of the camera and just take you through the apartment and see what you think. So as I mentioned, views are phenomenal. Porto Montenegro directly in front with Sveti Marko Island and Lustica Bay. Of course, you're west facing here, so you're going to enjoy the sunsets. You have this lovely big terrace here, already set up with a nice dining table. Let's go into the apartment. So usual open plan living, quite nice modern furniture. All the furniture is included. So you have all your furniture, your TV, second set of dining tables. Nice big kitchen actually. Got everything that you need here. Big cupboards, little fridge in the corner, even some space there to extend it if you want to. As I mentioned, it's 2 bedrooms, simple little bathroom. Of course, you have the washing machine and boiler in the bathroom, typical Montenegro. In the bedrooms, you've got these lovely wooden floors. So you have this double bed here in this one. And this one is set up to be a little bit more flexible. So again, wooden floors. And this one has a queen size kind of sofa bed and a single sofa bed. If you wanted to, you could probably sleep 5-7 people here, but you probably need to change this into a sofa bed. So that's a tour of this apartment, and let's go back and enjoy these views. So 2-bedroom apartment, great value. It's going to be a fantastic rental apartment. Thanks for watching.